We log in. Here we have the dashboard with all stats from our channel. After the dashboard, we have our social account. We can import new channel from here, or we can unlink our current channel, already linked channel. We have here template manager for auto reply and auto comment. We can create a template for auto reply, test template. We can select to delete offensive comments. And we have auto comment template. Hi, can you please check this URL? Here we have channel manager. We can create a like and comment campaign. We select the channel. We select the template. We enter the keyword, YouTube, for example. We select daily activity. We can enable auto like for videos, and we can expiry type per date or per activity. For example, 10, 100 comment or 10. Let's make it 10. We have subscription campaign where we can subscribe to new to channels with keyword. We can choose a publish date, or if we keep it empty, it will start directly. Expiry date, we will choose this date. We create campaign. We have video manager. Here we can see our channel. We can manage here videos, set auto replay for this video, auto replay report. We can check the report. We can edit the video. We can track the ranking for a specific keyword, and we can see the report of tracking, and we have analytics for this video. Here we have the analytics for the video. We have here playlist manager where we can create a playlist, we can edit it, and we can upload the video from here. Video title, time zone, video description. We can select the privacy type, the time zone. For the time, I can't upload the video right now. We have here a search engine where we can search video and channel and playlist. We have all these filters: result limit, order, date of publish, location, radius, channel ID, broadcast type, video type 2, duration, dimension, definition, license. We can choose any filter from this list. We can play the video. We can get tags and keyword from this video. For this video, there is no keywords or tags. We can check this one. Here we have, and we can download it as a CSV file. We have channel, search, and we have playlist search too. Here we have the keyword finder that we have seen before, where we can put the video ID and we extract all the keywords and tags for this video. We can create an auto-replay campaign from here too. We select the video, set an auto-replay test. We select the campaign and we create our campaign. We have rank tracking. We can create a new one for the keyword development, for example. We give it a name, and we put video ID. We can select to show it on dashboard or no. For my case, I will not show it in my dashboard. We can play the video from here and we can see the report. As you can see, it gave us the report. We have link wheel. This is related to monetized videos for ranking your videos. And we have sitemap generator, where we select the channel and we hit generate. After that, we can download our sitemap directly to our computer. And we have training and help desk. That's it for the basic version of YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this video.